Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Planning P6. Hope you are doing well and we are discussing about admin preferences setting. Today's our discussion topic is exception site list tab in admin preferences. So let's move forward and open your Primavera P6 software, admin, admin preferences, and option number 10, this one, exception site list. So the exception site list tab enables you to specify a list of websites that user can launch when displayed in user defined fields, projects websites, or notebook topics by double clicking on the website and selecting launch. For any text field, in edit mode, user can right click on the website that choose either launch or copy the site. I will show you how this function will work and how you can customize this website list. You can upload documents link here, you can upload some Google Drive links, you can upload your website link which is starting with the https http ftps ftp mail to and telnet. You can use that links and these are allowed to open here. Just close that one. We will create a column, go to the user defined enterprise and user defined fields. In user defined fields, in the activities we will add a column, customize a column. Just you can name it links, website, whatever you want. I will write links and website. I can write, and here in title column and in data type you will just as it is text. You can see here where is our link and this one, links and website text. Okay, close that one. After the closing here, we will go to the columns and find that column and show here. In the columns option, we will go to the user defined. You can find from there, and from user defined, this is our column. Move to at the end, and this one is our column. You can also find from here from the available option. Now apply and okay. Now our column is here. You can see here our column is here, and I have created a list of links which is here. Just this is my channel link, and this some of the 4 Google Drive links and 6 are the YouTube links. I will paste and show you how that are working. Minimize it, and now we will just go and paste links here. You can use alt tab option here, and first of all I will select that first link, control C, and then I will use the alt tab option and paste here first link, and then we will paste here the second link is Google Drive, control C, and paste here control V, and then you can assign the links to all of activities. Whatever, you can upload the documents on Google Drive and you can put here, and if you have any tutorial saved, your video link, you can upload on Google Drive or any other server. You can upload there, and then you can paste a link here. Basic function I will tell you when I was working. Now just put two or three YouTube links here. Okay, and paste. Now these are the links. If I go there, in the first link you can see here, if I copy this link and I have to open my Google Chrome or Opera something, then it will work. Copy and paste. How I can check from directly from launch this one from Primavera? Just right click on the double click on the that row and then right click on the that that one, and this one is launch hyperlink. In the launching, if you are launching, okay, launch it on the click, there is a error. For security reasons your administrator has denied access to the URL. Contact your administrator to resolve the issue. Okay, you cannot launch directly. I will go here and copy hyperlink this one, copy it, and I will go to the admin preferences and exception list. Exception list I will add a list. From here I can add, from here I can delete. Add a list and then paste that link here. Now for the enable and disabled I will explain. Just copy and paste that, close that one, copy hyperlink this one, and again go to the admin preferences and add one more here, paste here. Okay, close that one more I will add here, two more I want to add. Copy hyperlink, copy admin preferences and add here, paste, close, and this one I copy hyperlink, copy. Okay, admin preferences and exception list, add one more. Now I have selected these four links. You can see these four links are only work here. Close that one. Now if I can go here and double click on it and I want to launch that hyperlink, you can see it will work. It start working on that hyperlink. Now that hyperlink is working, this is my channel link and you can see here this hyperlink is working. Minimize it, and the second we have uploaded that link, and now double click on it and launch hyperlink again from the sharing. You can see that link is also Google Drive link, it's working here. And now we will go and change the setting from admin preferences, and if this enabled, this will work. If I disable that link and that link, the second first two links, and close them, now we will launch that link, launch hyperlink. You can see it will show error because we disabled that link from here. We did not allow that link to work with the Primavera. We have to allow that links prior to launching them. If I right click on the same row, these option will show, but I have to double click on that one and then I have to copy or launch it. You can add too much links from here, you can see, and you can enable and disable like this by check this checkbox or uncheck that box. This is how this exception list function in Primavera P6 and how it's work in Primavera P6 and what is the purpose of this exception site list in Primavera P6. Hopefully you people understand this tutorial. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.